Hi everyone, this is 6 Storm Team meteorologist Ken Weathers with your forecast discussion for this Sunday. Guess what? It's going to be hot. Well, it's July, right? So you'd expect it. But more heat and humidity will build across the region for today. Can't rule out a few pop-up thunderstorms across the area, but they'll be few and far between. More likely we'll see those develop as we go through the day Monday. Some of those could be strong to severe. Then a big cool down's headed our way, at least for July standards, as we start out the work week. But let's talk about the heat and humidity for today. Upper 80s to low 90s across the board, including 91 for Knoxville, Sevierville, and Madisonville. Mid to upper 80s across the plateau up into Kentucky. Now, what about the heat and humidity factor? Well, it's definitely going to be quite sticky out there. The sweatcast showing that this afternoon. Some feeling almost tropical-like, especially the southern valley. So with all that heat and humidity, if we see any of those thunderstorms, they're just purely pop-up heat-generated type storms, and you'll see the better bets across the western North Carolina side. But as we go through the afternoon, one or two of these will pop up and slowly drive eastward. Lightning and some brief heavy downpours will be the main threat. These will pretty much fizzle after sunset, leaving quiet conditions overnight into tomorrow morning. But another little feature will slide through the area Monday, increasing the shower and thunderstorm opportunities, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. And some of these could actually be strong to severe. There's an elevated risk for severe storms across the entire area as we go through the day Monday. Damaging wind gusts and hail appear to be the main threat. Now, this is ahead of a cold front that's not going to clear the area until sometime probably Tuesday afternoon, so heavy rainfall may also be a concern. Let's look at the rainfall estimates just for today, so from 10 o'clock in the morning through 11, and again, just very spotty, only about a 30% coverage. Let's add to this, though, the opportunities for Monday. You can see those totals are starting to climb a bit across the area, and we're seeing more widespread coverage. Let's add to that Tuesdays as well. So this is a 3-day rain total, and you can see some areas getting over 1 inch, some getting close to 2 inches back across the middle part of the state in the plateau. So not only is severe weather possible on Monday, but even some isolated flooding possible if this system lingers as expected through Tuesday. So a great idea for you would be to go download our free 6 Storm Team weather app. You can find it at the Google Play Store or also on iTunes. Just search Knoxville Weather. Maybe you don't have a smartphone, but you can receive text alerts. I'll tell you what you can do. Go to WATE.com, look on the right-hand corner of your screen for the quick links, and sign up for text alerts. Those will keep you updated. Great ways to stay informed. So for today, about a 40% coverage of scattered storms over the mountains, high of 84. Only about a 30% coverage across the plateau, otherwise warm and muggy with highs in the upper 80s. Similar conditions up into southeast Kentucky, getting close to that 90-degree mark, and I think we will eclipse the 90-degree mark here across the valley, looking right at about 91 degrees. That's where we were yesterday, but I think even we could see a few spotty storms across the valley. All right, here's the 7-day forecast. Possibility of strong storms on Monday. Some lingering rainfall Monday night into Tuesday could lead to some isolated flooding, but if we can get past that unscathed, boy, looks like a nice couple of days coming up. Lows upper 50s to near 60 for Wednesday and Thursday morning, and highs almost late September-like in the low 80s. It should be very nice. Remember, all the forecast details can be found at WATE.com, and I'd appreciate it if you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Hope you have a great Sunday.